ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Namaste to all. So thinking that the lessons, the school for the school children, if we do few lessons, so that would be helpful for all the kids and parents. I'm doing this, starting with the first grade lesson here. I'll paste it in the uh, playlists in our channel. Please visit the playlist. You would be easily able to get it for different grades. I'm going to paste it in different place. So here the one lesson which I have taken, which is very easy though. Okay, and here I could see the one word called Saraswati Mandira. So wanted to start the lesson with the while praying to Saraswati. That's why I took this word. Saraswati Mandira isn't the word, the Mandir of Saraswati. Okay, the temple of Saraswati. Shale is temple, sorry, school. Shale is school. Shale Yembudu, that whatever we say, school itself is the temple of Saraswati. Aduve, that itself. Aduve, okay, that itself. Belakamma, Belaku plus Amma. Okay, that is the brightness, mummy. So now let's see, let's go ahead with this is the Shaleke Hoguve, the poem, this is sixth lesson. Okay, page number the 29, page number 29. Okay, so ಪದ್ಯವನ್ನು ಹಾಡಿ, that means इस पद्य को गाइए. Okay, sing this padya or the poem. ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಂದ, ಬಚ್ಚೋನ್ ಸೇ, okay, from kids. ಹಾಡಿಸಿ, make them sing. Okay, chalk, it starts with biscuit. Biscuit ಬೇಡ, okay, don't want biscuit. Chocolate ಬೇಡ, I don't want chocolate. ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಕಳಿಸಮ್ಮ, okay, send me mummy to the school. So what is there in the here, we have to understand one word. If you try to understand, it will become very easy for you. So I wrote in here, see, biscuit beda. Beda is don't want, biscuit beda, chocolate beda. So what exactly we have here, you need to understand. One, the kakara ottu is there. See, this is sa. Okay, that's sa. This is sa. And how it became say, this is say. Okay, and with this say we actually gave the ottu card ka, kakara, ske, ske. So this is ba, and this is ba, and this is b. So this b we have taken, okay, b, and then take the say, and then kekara, and then dirga, biscuit. So this is ta, but if you do this, it will become after, biscuit. Okay, beda, beda. How this be actually come into picture? So that actually comes from ba, ba. We have few lessons for writing the vowels, and please check it out in our YouTube channel. You will be easily able to find them. B and B, and then boo, and then boo, and then we have the be. Okay, and then it comes the be. So this is the be which we have used here, beda. Okay, da, beda. Biscuit beda, I don't want biscuit. Chocolate beda, I don't want chocolate. Shalege, shale is school, shale is school, shalege to school. Okay, this ge is indicates to. Shalege kalisamma, kalisu plus amma, there are two words, but we have taken it as kalisamma, two words involved. See, kalisu plus amma, there are two words actually in this, try to understand. So that has become kalisamma. Okay, kalisamma. And then ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ho, biscuit beda, I don't want biscuit. Chocolate beda, I don't want chocolate. ಶಾಲೆಗೆ, to the school. Okay, कलिसम्मा, मुझे भेजो मम्मी. ओके, बिस्किट बेड़ा, मुझे बिस्किट नहीं चाहिए. चॉकलेट बेड़ा, मुझे चॉकलेट नहीं चाहिए. शालेगे, टू द स्कूल, दैट मीन्स स्कूल, स्कूल के नहीं इंग्लिश हिंदी. सो पाठशाला को भेजो मम्मी. ओके, कलिसम्मा. शालेगे होगी, होगी, दिस होगी इज नथिंग बट पाठशाला को जाकर. ओके, चित्रव नोड़ी दैट मीन्स वो जो चित्रों को या फिगर्स को देखकर, देखते. ಹೆಸರನ್ನು नाम को, वो जो नाम है वो चित्र का. ಹೇಳುವೆ ನಮ್ಮ, बोलता हूँ मम्मी. ओके, आई विल टेल मम्मी, आई टेल मम्मी. ओके, सो मैं बोलता हूँ मम्मी. ಹೆಸರನ್ನು नाम को. ओके, ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಹೇಳುವೆನಮ್ಮ. ಹೇಳುವೆನಮ್ಮ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 2 words ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ಡ್. ಹೇಳುವೆನು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಮ್ಮ, ಹೇಳುವೆನಮ್ಮ. ಸೊ ಹೇಳುವೆನು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಮ್ಮ. So what will happen? You need to avoid the ukara here. Okay, and then na, you just need to take na, and then the akara also you need to avoid. Bring this ma and then join it. So it will become na, and then bring this ma. ಹೇಳುವೆ ನಮ್ಮ. Got it? And then this only this one phrase we are going to do. Otherwise we'll complete with this. The next video we will see how much we will be able to learn. अक्षर कलियुता, वो जो अक्षरों को पढ़ते पढ़ते कलियुता. पदಗಳ ಓದುತ್ತಾ, वो जो वर्ड्स है उसको पढ़ते ಓದುತ್ತಾ. ಕಲಿಯುತ್ತಾ इज सीखते सीखते. ओके, लर्निंग. ಓದುತ್ತಾ इज रीडिंग. पदಗಳ ಓದುತ್ತಾ, पढ़ते पढ़ते. पाठव, वो जो लेसन को या पाठ को ಓದುವೆನಮ್ಮ, ಓದುವೆನು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಮ್ಮ. ಮೈ ಪಡುಂಗ ಮಮ್ಮಿ और ಪಡುಂಗಿ ಮಮ್ಮಿ और पढ़ता हूँ ಅಮ್ಮ. ओके, so ಓದುವೆನು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಮ್ಮ, that be same concept. ಓ ತು, so this is one of the vowel actually. ಓ ಓ ಓ. okay, ಓದು ವೆ ನು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಮ್ಮ. So what will happen? Avoid this ukara, take only na from here and then bring this ma and then add it. That's it. ಓದುವೆ ನಮ್ಮ. Till here ಓದುವೆ you need to take it. ಓದುವೆನು is I'll read, I read. Okay, so if this video was useful for you, please write your valuable comments. I'm going to do some more videos for all the school children for different grades. If this is useful for you, for all the parents who are actually watching here, please write your valuable comments. Okay, whether you could able to understand this, please do let me know. What should we write here then? Biscuit ಬೇಡ, ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್, you need to fill it. Okay, ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಪದವನ್ನು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಂದ ಹೇಳಿಸಿ. ಮೇಕ್ ಕಿಡ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಟೆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಬಿಸ್ಕೆಟ್ ಬೇಡ, ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಬೇಡ, ಕಿಡ್ ಶುಡ್ ಸೇ ದಿಸ್. ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಚಿತ್ರವ ನೋಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಚಿತ್ರವ, ಈ ಜೋ ಚಿತ್ರ ಇದರ ಹೇ ಚಿತ್ರವ ನೋಡಿ. ಅಕ್ಷರ ಕಲಿಯುತ್ತಾ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ವಿ ರೈಟ್? ಅಕ್ಷರ ಕಲಿಯುತ್ತಾ, ಪದಗಳ ಓದುತ್ತಾ. ಪದ್ಯವ ಕಲಿತು ರಾಗದಿ ಹಾಡಿ. ರಾಗದಿ ವಿತ್ ರಾಗ, ವಿತ್ ಟ್ಯೂನ್. ಓಕೆ, ರಾಗದಿ ಹಾಡಿ. ಹೋಪ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಟು ಆಲ್. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್.